Okay. All right. Okay. This is great. All right. Front and center. Today it's
It was beautiful this morning. So
okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
So yesterday we went over bunkers, right? So there was a lot of information. You may have heard things that you hadn't heard before, but hopefully, with yesterday, you guys, I hope that each one of you kind of picked up a thing or two, just to give you a little more added confidence and a pretty good idea of what you're actually trying to do when you get into the sand. So remember, we had the line drill, and what we wanted to do with that line is to have that line so it's between our legs, and we're trying to make that line disappear. And that line was, you could use that as a dead giveaway. So if things start to go off the tracks a little bit, you put the line down and your club hits before the line or in front of the line, then we kind of know there's some things going on. So just by getting yourself in that position to where you can make that line disappear over and over and over again, if you can do that, you're hitting good bunker shots. Okay?
Would you say in general the sand should be coming literally right up to your target and touching it? Like the last grain of sand should be hitting your thing?
No. I mean, in that case, that might hold true if, you're relatively close to your target.
Mm-hmm.
But if you have that longer bunker shot, maybe you're 20 yards away from your target, then you're not going to be able to get the sand that far.
Okay.
But like I said, it's one of those ideas that if you feel like you have to hit the sand hard enough to actually get there, it's just another way to really make sure that you keep that club accelerating the way it needs to.